Hi. So today I want to show you 3 acupuncture points that we're going to work with that are considered what we call extra points. They're not associated with any of the 12 major channels of the body, but they are very important points that are used to support the energy that flows into the head and in particular around the eyes. So the first point I want to show you is actually on the eyebrow. So if you feel along your eyebrow, you're going to feel a little indentation right in the center. So this point is where the pupil is when you're looking forward. If you feel there, you're going to feel a little indentation. That's called Yu Yao. Yu Yao is an extra point that does have a connection with the liver channel. And the liver controls the eyes in Chinese medicine, so that's why it's a good point for the eyes. So we're going to just make some little circles. So you put a finger into this point. You can use your index finger or thumb if you'd like. And just make gentle little circles as you breathe to stimulate the qi that flows here. Now this point can be very tender, so if it feels not so comfortable here, especially if you're dealing with a headache, then I would invite you to be gentle, but you do want to move this energy, because anytime it's pain or discomfort, that's a sign that the qi is not moving, and that's energy that's not available to you because it's stuck. So this is a great one to regulate the qi in the body, help alleviate pain, and particularly benefit the eyes. And then let's make some circles the other way. And just breathe. And as you work, anytime you're working with an acupressure point, make sure that you're focusing on that point, because that will help to move the energy and open up the qi flow a little bit better. Wonderful. And now let's move into a point that many of you are familiar with. It's called Yin Tang in Chinese, or we know it as third eye. So place your finger right there between the eyebrow, and this is a wonderful point to stimulate, to calm the mind. This is also the 6th chakra, if you're familiar with chakras, and that means that it helps open up your intuition. But it's also used to alleviate pain, particularly in the face, around the eyes, or it's a great point for the sinuses. Things like sinusitis or rhinitis, this is a good point to stimulate to get the energy flowing through the sinuses. And after you've done it a few moments in one direction, make some circles in the other direction. All right, good. And now we're going to move out to the temples. The temples are called Tai Yang in Chinese medicine. And just can use your fingers there. And I think all of us at one time or another have rubbed here. This is a great point for headaches, particularly when they're on the side of the head. They're also good for eye issues. And just generally moving qi that flows into the head. And breathe as you rub. And make some circles the other way. And not putting a lot of pressure here. You're just trying to manipulate the qi, so just a gentle rubbing. All right, wonderful. So we have our Yu Yao point right in the center of the eyebrow. We have our third eye or Yin Tang point, and we have our Tai Yang or temple points. Feel free to use those whenever you're feeling some discomfort there and you want to get some more qi flowing in the eyes, in the sinuses, and throughout the head. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.